Hi Grace. So this is the documentation on how to test our sales pages. So first you can go to sales page links. This is the spreadsheet to check the list of the pages. So this is for ClickBank. This portion from line 4 to 18. Then this portion is for IS, line 22 to 34. So let's try the offer wave tab. Consider IS pages, ClickBank pages, and the offer wave. So offer wave uses different parameters for affiliate. So for example, you would like to test the Infusionsoft sales pages. So you can click the ID here. Let's say invisible hoplite for Facebook. You can click this one. Alright. So if you click, after you click the ID, so you will be redirected to this URL with parameters. For you to check the parameters, you can just go to URL parser, like this one, freeformatter.com/URL parser query string splitter. You'll copy this one, paste here, and these are the query string. These are the parameters that we will going to pass to Marcos. So partner ID and the ID. And also for the sales page, you must check if the exit splash is working. To check this one, you can just move your cursor up to the top of the browser. There you go. So the exit splash is popping up. You can see, wait before you go. Then this is a free credit card time. So if you are going to check if this is displaying or this is showing on our order form, you can click here. Yes, give me the free credit card knife. Then in your order form, you need to see this one, free credit card knife, because you click the exit splash, it will show here in one of the bumps. So back to the sales page. Right, so you need to check also if this is above the fold. And if it's mobile responsive, using inspect. Then for the button, you can click this. Then this is the initial filling in, or you will fill out this first name, last name, email, and the zip code. So for example, you need to test also if this information will pass to the Marcos. So we need to send this information to Marcos. So say you would like, you can just, if you're testing, your first name must be Tess, last name also is Tess, then email is, you need to start with dev, and also the date here, 10/35 to 19/20 at total package. So because needs to be unique. And zip code is 78738. See, this is the zip code for our testing address. So let's say the person will fill out this information but decided not to purchase this one. So that person may think to press or to click this close button. So first we need to copy the email address. So let's click close. Right. So even though you decided to close the button, the person still be redirected to the order form. But that information that we fill in the model, this one, that information must be sent to Maripost. So email, right? So let's open our Maripost. Then on the dashboard, see this one, this contact, we will going to search the email that we fill in the model. So we paste the email. This is the email that we used earlier. Click enter. Alright, see, email is already sent to Maripost, even though the order form, even though that person did not fill in information to the order form. So not only the email is sent to Maripost, also the product, the URL, this one, and the important is the affiliate and the app sub. So this came from the parameters. That's why we need to check the parameters, the partner ID, like this one. So the partner ID is 1019, which is the affiliate, and the TID is the test offer, and which is this is called app sub. So for testing, we need to make sure that affiliate and app sub is also passing to Maripost with emails and the product and then URL. And then the list ID, since that person did not proceed to continue the order form or abandoned his order, so the list ID will be sales page email capture, the list ID 11, and it will trigger a journey for Facebook Cuplight abandoned cart. But let's say that person will proceed, or will continue to the order form. Let's say this person will decided to continue the purchase. Let's check. Let's open first the credit card that we are using. So this is actually the credit card that we use for test purchase. So test. Four zero three 0770 007 and then 7852 You can actually copy this in your LastPass so that it will be easier for you to copy the credit card information. expiry is 12/23. And 389. First name, you must use test. That will be 55. This is Austin. Okay, so the same email. Yeah, we're going to use the same email. Let's check the difference between abandoning your order versus the successful purchase. So the status of the email or this person right now is he abandoned the order. I mean, he did not proceed to continue, so purchase. So now let's try the same email, but this person will continue to make a successful purchase. Let's check. Oh, sorry. The same email, the same information. Submit order. Right, so we are now on the Absol. So the purchase is successful, so you can just click yes. And you can no thanks. This is actually an upsell and downsell pages, but the order is now successful.
Hey, congratulations, sir. Be sure you find someone
Right? Okay. So our order is now successful. Then we're going to check this email again. Okay. Oops, sorry. Right. So you can now see the difference. If that person made or if that person abandoned the order or did not continue to purchase, the list ID is list ID 11, the one that is showing earlier, sales page email capture. But if that person made a successful order, so the list ID is actually different. This list ID 8, I think. So concernedpatriot.com and affiliate AppSub. Also, the journey for abandoned cart is now stopped, and also since that he made successful order, so this journey will be triggered. So that's how we will going to test our sales page for abandoned order or abandoned order versus the successful order. So that email that we use, we need to check that in our Marvels. If there is any difference, I mean if there is a mistake as well, or if you have any questions,